Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Microsoft, ticker MSFT. So to get straight into it, what are the key things I want to be paying attention to? So firstly I want to know, and it is quite important, is you can see basically what's happened with this stock, especially on the 6 hour. It's a lot clearer. We ended up breaking through our first deviation, tested it as a support, this level held. When this happens, we know 9 times out of 10 it's really going to go to that next deviation level, which happened. We came back, we got the pullback as expected, and now it looks like it's coming back to kind of keep retesting this, trying to break it, but it's not being able to. So what it really means is, right now I'd be a bit more hesitant with this stock. I wouldn't be shorting it, I wouldn't be buying it, and the reason for that is, again, it's struggling to break out of its second deviation. Which is between the ranges of 277 and 272. So yeah, basically this range, it is really struggling to get through. But again, I don't really want to be shorting that, because the reason a stock keeps testing it is because buyers keep taking it to it. So eventually it is going to break. I'm not one of those people who think, if you test a support or resistance multiple times, it becomes stronger. Really, to me, it makes it weaker, because if you keep coming back to it, there's a reason for that, and eventually it is going to have to break. So that's the only thing I would be a bit more hesitant of, and just watching out for that. But yeah, within that range, we are taking a bit more short buys, but really considering we've already hit it, I'd be waiting more for a break through that. And where I'd be looking to really short is coming into the 282, which would be that next upside target. If we break that, we have 300, 306, and 322 as final targets to the upside. Now onto the support side, and again I think this is really going to be the key thing to be watching, is at 255. This is our first deviation over on the 6 month and also the 1 year. And again, like we said, it keeps testing this resistance, isn't able to break it. So really what I'd be waiting for is a break out of either side of this, because I said I think it's just a bit too tricky now to trade within that range. So I'd be waiting for a break out of either 255 or a break above 277 before I start getting involved in this stock once again. But otherwise, if you do want to trade it a bit earlier, a key level I would be watching is kind of that 255. If we end up breaking lower, I am then paying attention to 238, 232. Now this is statistical mean. If you've been watching this channel before, we don't trade this level. Reason for that is this is considered fair value, and from if you're a technical trader, again, if you're trading strictly of technicals, you're not using any fundamental reasons for entry, then there is really no trading edge in this range, because if something's fair value, again, you don't know the direction it's going to go. There's no probability that it's more likely to go up than down or anything like that. So really, unless you're trading a straddle out of this area, there is no advantage to really be trading here. But it can be used as a target. For example, if I was holding the short now, or maybe I short the break of the 255, that would be my absolute final target. Again, I don't want to be holding any stock through there. Now, if we break that, we'll quickly go over just some supports, just so we have some. 221, 210, and 205. I mean, they'll be the key supports we'll note, because they are quite far from where we are now. Unlikely that we break them anytime soon. So really, those are the key levels I'm paying attention to over on Microsoft. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.